Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is on the Dollar Tree mobile app. Let's get into it. So, I go to Dollar Tree not often, but I wanted to explore the app to see what different things you can do. So, you can search by category and it'll tell you how much it is. You can favorite it. As far as I know, with the app, it would not allow me to add it to the cart, but you can add it to your favorites. I don't know why you would really need to do that, but you can change your primary location. You can order with Instacart, but you can't order on the app and, go pick it up. So next we want to go to, let me see, I'm going to scroll. And you can get directions, you can call the store, you can see if there's any current ads, store amenities, it'll tell you whether it has a frozen food section, what time they close. Let's see, what else? So now click on more. And you can search for what you're looking for. So I want to find out, do they have any vases at this store? So these are all the particular vases that they have. And I want to find the store. So you can hover around the area, you can zoom in, you can search by zip code, you can search by the city, and then you can make that your primary store. So now what I really like about what their app is the barcode scanners, because sometimes it doesn't say on the tag how much something is, because everything in the Dollar Tree is, of course, is not $1 anymore. So it may be $1.25. I know their 1 liter sodas are $1.75 as of the date of this video, but you can actually scan to make sure the price is correct. So that was the flowers. So that's another flower. It'll tell you how much it is. And we're walking down the aisle. Let's see what else we want to see. Okay, let's see how much these bags are. So you grow girl, let's see how much that is. Sometimes it might not have the image, but that's how much it is. So now I want to see how much this, it does say on the back of how much this is, but just want to make sure. Could be on sale. So now I want to see how much this word find search is. So that's $1.25. And for those of you that don't know, they actually have gift cards. So they have Visa gift cards, they have DSW, Netflix. So, if you're running short on time, if you need to get out of the store real quick, I would recommend that you go to the Dollar Tree, pick up your gift cards, because you might not want to go in Wawa. You might not want to go into the grocery store, because sometimes I find if you go in those stores, you buy unnecessary stuff that you don't need. So tip for you, go to the Dollar Tree if you're running late, because you can actually get your birthday cards or it's a sympathy card, whatever you need, you can get that, and actually a gift card as well. So make it a great day. I hope this was beneficial to you and you'll start using the Dollar Tree app if you haven't already. I'm Rashawn 11 with Keller Williams. Make it a great day.